Hey guys, I can't wait to show you these cute pots. Wait a minute. Here we go. Aren't they cute? Yes, I made these pots with some items that I brought from Dollar Tree. Turned out that I was making them for my home and then posted them on Facebook, and others wanted me to make them as well. So here I am showing you guys my very first DIY that I recorded myself doing, which I do a lot of home projects, but this is my first time recording one to show because I had so many people that was asking for, and I was like, yo, that is a lot of work. I have kids, I got a business that I'm running, so I'm just record the video. So I used a hot glue gun, some burlap rope, those metal tin pans right there that I have in my hand. I got it from Dollar Tree. Everything is from Dollar Tree except for the glue gun that came from Walmart. And I just hot glued the burlap rope around the pot. I think I went around maybe 3 times. I went around about 3 times, and then I'm just going to let you guys watch because I am also watching as I am doing this. As I said before, this is my very first time, but I hope that you can get an idea of what I did and how I did it because they are very cute to put around in the house, on the table, on the counter. I put a few by my kitchen sink beside my dish detergent. So yeah, I'll just let you watch from here. Oh guys, also notice that big beautiful necklace that I have on my neck. Yes, it is from my Paparazzi line, Petite Naturals jewelry. Yes, and this jewelry set only costs $5. I am in a spectacular business, so check that out. Now back to the project. I am using this potting soil also from Dollar Tree. Yes, it is real soil. However, I wanted to use this because it creates a firm hold in the bottom of my pot. It makes my pot heavy, and it's going to allow for a sturdy base for me to stick those fake plants in, which you will see me doing next. So here I'm just leveling out my soil and patting it down with my hands. I filled that soil up to where you see the burlap as well. I took about 4 of these plants and I stuck them neatly inside of the soil. I stuck them very closely together because I wanted the illusion of it to look full. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And I am now just cutting off those loose ends, those shabby looking pieces I had cut off. Right here I am opening some little birdhouse stands that I found at Dollar Tree, just sticking it in the soil to make it look like a little decoration at the front of the plant. I should be cutting some more, but there we go. Now I am putting some of those rocks that you saw in the picture. I am just laying the rocks on top of the soil and spacing it out around the birdhouses. I really wish I would have done this DIY overhead instead of like the way it is, but I decided I'd describe it and then show the picture. But that's basically all I did. And like I said, this was a Dollar Tree project, and look how cute it is. It's very, very cute with the rocks. And I took a chalk stick and I wrote on the rocks. So that was it. And if you enjoyed this, guys, give me a thumbs up. Bye.